Dr. Mark Colicchio is a veterinarian who brings his practice to his patients, literally. With his mobile clinic, Mark is able to treat animals where they are so they don't have to leave home to get medical care. What are some things that homeowners really need to be aware of in order to safeguard the pets?
Well, with these guys, cats, I kind of describe them as sensory machines. You know, they're always aware of what's going on. They anything that smells or sounds or looks different, they're going to be curious with. So that is a problem that in cats is very particular to the species, but also the fact that they are very sensitive to certain types of chemicals, whereas dogs can overcome exposure to that. Cats are very sensitive to some very common things in the house.
Yeah, dogs are a little more tolerant to some of the things.
Yeah, their liver can handle things a lot better than cats can.
I see. Okay. And then as far as other dangers around the house and so forth, I know certain plants, or any plants a problem?
There are most of your the holiday plants, especially this time of year. We warn people about a lot of the lilies and things like that you'll see. Around Easter you see them, but as well as Christmas time, the holly, mistletoe, those kind of things can be toxic to them, and we just try and tell people to keep them out of reach, just like children, you know, where the cats don't have exposure to them. But those kind of things going along with the holidays, Christmas tree water. A lot of people will put aspirin in the water, and aspirin is very toxic to these guys. They cannot get it very regularly. It will affect their liver and their red blood cells, so we try and keep them away from things like that.
Oh, I see. That's pretty cool. Now, what about with your service? Do you deal with larger animals?
No, I don't. Actually, I just do cats and dogs and avians, so parrots and that kind of thing.
Oh, I see. Well, I guess you could still use this on the weekends for camping, huh?
We have. We actually, my wife and I camped out in the 9th Ward after Hurricane Katrina and stayed a week over there and did some surgery, and then we actually did camp out in this, so it does work as a camper.